Hi everyone, I hope you are all well. So I am here at Food Basics for the grocery shopping of my assignment. So my friend will be joining me soon. We are planning to make hot and creamy with pasta. We have like two different choices of food. He's from Vietnam and I'm from Nepal. So we came up with the wheat grilled pasta. So we'll make it, and I'm here for the grocery shopping. I will show you something about it. Let's get started. So we are using 3 different colors of bell peppers. Checking the quality. Seems nice. And one green. And there is a big one. Carrot. So this is our list, and I brought almost everything. Mushroom, groceries. It is so embarrassing that I'm just buying only one of each. But I'm done with my groceries shopping list. Let's go to the cashier. Okay, it doesn't stick.
Let her cook by herself.
How much do we do?
Done.
Okay.
I think just not so that it doesn't stick. To make a video that we are washing our hands regularly. Like this.
That's how I cook. What's the rule?
Cutting the veggies. Check if this is cooked or not.
और यहाँ पर दमदार धुआं निकलता हुए
It's not cooked properly, so we'll let it here for some.
मास्टर शेफ सीजन 20
अरे चुप करो, बंद करो.
one is from Nepal, one is from
Vietnam. 75% veggies.
Pasta like that.
75% veggies.
Yeah.
And 25%.
वो लड़की देख रहे हो पूछ भी रही है कि मेरा वीडियो दो.
वो बस काट ही रही है. काटने का वीडियो हो गया. There is the other. My friend helping. She just washed her hand. I didn't clean.
Be serious. Oh my gosh.
हाँ तो ऐसा करते हैं. हाँ? No.
There was a scene maybe already. There was one more scene we had.
It's okay.
हाँ मुझे निकल लेना था पहले.
Okay, wash it.
Give me 25% weightage from these two guys, okay?
I think this is right now.
By the way, why do you do this?
I have sore throat.
Stop.
Talk to me. Stop.
Do you know how to?
The ginger too, or?
Yeah.
have one.
Yes, 2
Right
is
now.
free. Yes, yes. Have it.
So you don't use it for assignment? The egg?
There are 5. You can eat one.
Is it enough? Tell me when it's
No, no,
enough.
put it more. I'm looking in the camera. It's a more. It's because it needs to be creamy. Till it's boiling. Lactose free mozzarella cheese. Now we're gonna put it in here.
Now we're gonna put it in the pasta.
It's a high source of protein.
So this is our last presentation. How does this taste?
It is actually good than I expected.
Yeah, we have pasta, broccoli, and the what is that called?
Peppers.
Yeah, the red pepper, yellow
Green.
red pepper, and some
Mushrooms.
for the protein. But
Carrot.
in case that it's not enough protein, so we also have some eggs.
And mozzarella cheese is also the source of
Yeah.
protein. That's good.